wanna lay by a lake in Norway. I wanna walk through Swedish fields of green. I wanna see the forests of Finland. I wanna sail on a boat on the Baltic Sea. I wanna feel a Russian winter. I wanna go to my Polish grandmother's home. I wanna see Hungarian lanterns. I wanna walk on a road that leads to Rome. I wanna be free as the winds that blow past me, clear as the air that I breathe, young as the morning and old as the sea. I wanna lose myself in the Scottish Highlands, the west coast of Ireland, the Cornish breeze. I wanna rest my bones in the Spanish sunshine. The Italian coastline is calling me to be free as the birds that fly past me, light as the fish in the sea, to be wise as the mountains and tall as the trees. I wanna be sunny and bright as the sunrise, happy and full as the moon, but I'm fleeting like fireworks fading too soon.